Hi, welcome back to JC Fung Geography. Today, I'm going to teach you what a jet stream is. Before we start the video, if you like it, please like, subscribe and share to support me. What is a jet stream? A jet stream is a narrow band of fast-flowing air, like a river in the sky, that goes around the Earth from west to east in the high atmosphere. Winds within a jet stream can be extremely strong, sometimes reaching speeds of over 200 miles per hour. It can be several thousand miles long and about 100 miles wide. It usually happens between the cold polar air and the warm tropical air. Some strongest jet stream happens in places like Japan and India. Other significant jets are over North America, Africa, and the Pacific. How do they form? Jet streams form from the temperature contrast between warm tropical air and cold polar air. This temperature difference creates pressure gradient that drives wind. The Earth's rotation then deflects these winds, causing them to flow from west to east in a fast, wavy pattern high in the atmosphere. Where does the strongest jet stream usually happen? The strongest jet streams are the polar jets, which occur in the upper troposphere, around latitudes 50 degrees to 60 degrees north and south. These are stronger than the subtropical jets due to the greater temperature differences between the cold polar air and the warmer air to the south. The polar jets in the northern hemisphere flows over North America, Europe, and Asia, while the southern hemisphere's polar jets mostly circles Antarctica. How can a jet stream affect our weather? A jet stream affects our weather by steering weather systems, changing their intensity, and influencing temperature. A straight, fast jet stream can bring predictable weather, while a wavier or slower one can lead to more extreme or prolonged conditions, such as storms when it drifts south, or heat waves when it remains stationary and creates a block. Here are some fun facts. Jet stream happens in both the northern and southern hemisphere. They vary in height of 4 to 8 miles. Some can reach speeds of more than 275 miles, which is equivalent to 239 knots and about 442 kilometers per hour. There are two main jet streams that circles the globe, the polar jet stream and the subtropical jet stream. Interesting name for jet stream. Some people call them equatorial smoke system, which is from its earliest discovery. Some people call them geostrophic winds, circumpolar whirl, high-speed stream, Somali jet, and fine later jet. Here are the glossary. A hemisphere is one half of a sphere, which means dividing the Earth into two equal halves using an imaginary line, and that imaginary line is the equator. Gradient. It means an increase or decrease in the magnitude, which means size, of a property. For example, temperature or pressure. It is observed in passing from one point or moment to another. Defect. It means causing something to change direction. Troposphere. It is the lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere, extending from the surface up to an average of 13 km, which is equivalent to 8.1 miles. And it is where most weather phenomena, including clouds, rain, and snow, occur. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.